Hi guys, thanks for joining me here at North Staffs Airsoft Skirmish site on what was the last game of the day. This family run site is great for seasoned players or newbies alike, has a high standard of play and a great bunch of regulars which I'm happy to be part of. Definitely worth a look if you're looking for a smaller, more focused woodland engagement. So, in this game, 6 enemy operators have dug in amongst a small area of the site, and our squad of 6 have been tasked with clearing them out. The enemy operators only have 1 life, whereas we have unlimited lives, but we are against the clock. I'm joined by Lee of Bushi Ghillie Brothers, and we decide to team up and approach the enemy compound from the far side, unlike the rest of our squad who approach it directly in a full frontal attack. We try to stalk our way into a good position where I can make the most of my thermal scope and silverback SRS to quietly dispatch all the hidden enemies. This video is presented to you in real time, with no sections cut out, so it's a slightly more realistic depiction of how airsoft sniping really goes, rather than a glorified kill feed. So sit back and enjoy, and please leave me a like and comment if you enjoyed a slightly more warts and all video.
Yep, spotted. That's fucking... okay. It's Jane again. I've got nothing, mate. Check if anyone's in that sniper box. Nothing obvious. No. If they are, they're behind cover. Yep. You got a vision?
There's one down in the right, hunkered. See this piece of
oh yeah,
pallet?
that's alright, I can see. Fuck. Yeah, too much cover. Oh, hello.
Oh, you done well. What about the shoulder?
I'm not shooting at you. Fucking. There's a pallet. Okay. Put a few rounds in there, but. Yep. So the grey tin just to the left of it.
Come in, mate.
Hit!
What a shot. Good call, mate.
Oh, he's come out.
Right.
Two of them out.
Yeah.
Two left, I think. Two or three. Another one down.
Nice.
Relax, boys.
I'm behind that container.
Yeah.
I'm saying so. I don't know, I'm just guessing.
Would have been lit up by now.
I don't know.
Oh, I see what. Yep. Left side of the container.
Left side.
There you go. One's coming out. Oh, there we go. That's it, isn't it?
One more.
Got players out there, boys.
One, two.
Two coming out before the last of them.
Two coming out, yeah.
One left. Good call, well done.
So if he just got shot in the back, it's got to be this side then. Yeah. He's in that container, but I can't shoot him with the. He's too close.
So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. We'll see you in the next one.